Mastering confirmation questions in English conversation. Hello everyone, welcome to our next exciting episode. Today, we'll be focusing on a key technique to improve your English conversation skills. This technique is known as using confirmation questions. Confirmation questions are crucial in any conversation because they help you make sure that you've understood the other person correctly, preventing any potential miscommunication. Let's get started. Confirmation questions are questions you ask to confirm your understanding of what someone has just said. These are often structured as yes, no questions, making them easy for the listener to answer, while providing you the feedback you need. They're not just simple yes or no questions though. In English, we often use what we call tag questions to confirm information. For instance, we might say, "You're from Canada, aren't you?" "Where, aren't you?" is a tag question. It shows you're trying to confirm the information that the person is indeed from Canada. Using confirmation questions in conversation is simple and can be a game changer in your English communication skills. Here's how to do it. 1. Listen carefully to what the other person is saying. 2. Identify the main point or idea in their statement. 3. Formulate a question that asks for confirmation about this main point. For example, if someone says, "I will be flying to Paris next week for a business meeting," your confirmation question could be, "So, you're going to Paris for work next week, right?" Here are some additional tips for creating effective confirmation questions. 1. Be concise. Your question should be brief and to the point, mirroring the main idea of what the person has said. 2. Use a friendly tone. Your tone should convey that you are seeking clarification, not doubting what the person has said. 3. Use tag questions. As mentioned before, tag questions are an excellent way to seek confirmation. Just make sure the tag matches the tense and form of the sentence. For example, "You didn't see that movie, did you?" 4. Use rising intonation. In English, we often use a rising intonation at the end of confirmation questions. This signals to the listener that you're asking a question. And that's it, folks. You now know what confirmation questions are and how to use them in your conversations in English. By using these effectively, you can ensure that you've understood the other person correctly, preventing misunderstandings and enhancing your conversational skills. Practice this technique and watch your English conversations improve. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.